Hello student, I hope you all are fine and doing well. So student, today we will start chapter of geography, composition and structure of atmosphere. As we can see, yes, even we have done in 6th class also. So yes, first we will talk about what is atmosphere. Yes, it is a blanket of air that surround the earth. The presence of atmosphere has made the earth a unique planet because we get air to take a breath. So it has a life giving gases like oxygen for human being and animals and carbon dioxide for plants. So considering the size of earth and atmosphere is a thin layer, so its exact thickness is unknown, as there is no sharp boundary between the atmosphere and outer space. So the earth is a gravitational pull, and we can say that the total weight of atmosphere is about 500 million tons, and 99% of total masses of the atmosphere is found with the 32 kilometer from the earth surface. So air is a denser near the earth surface and get thinner as one goes upward. Clear? Yes, now we will talk about the composition of atmosphere. Yes, as we know that it is a mixture of colorless, odorless and tasteless gases. Clear? And here we will do some we will discuss about composition of atmosphere. So air is a mixture of gases, water vapor, dust particle and smoke. The two main gases present in the atmosphere are nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. The other gases present in atmosphere are carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, hydrogen, etc. And the lower layer of atmosphere contain water vapor and dust particle. The amount of water vapor and dust particle varies from time to time and from place to place. And heavier gases like oxygen is mostly found in a layer lower layer of a atmosphere. And also composition of air from place to place and time to time. So however, composition of clean and dry air is fairly uniform in lower layer, and up to the height of about 8 kilometer from the mean sea level. So student, as we have discussed that in atmosphere there is two main gases, nitrogen and oxygen. Yes, nitrogen is the most prevalent gas in atmosphere. So nitrogen required for the growth of the plant. Okay, but plant are not able to absorb the nitrogen directly from the sun. So bacteria of the soil and roots absorb the changes its form, so that plant can use it. So atmosphere nitrogen is also used to manufacture the chemical fertilizer also. So next gas, yes, which is very important for even for the human, oxygen. Yes, oxygen is very important gas. All living organism needed to survive it. So they breathe oxygen. They breathe oxygen presence in the air. During the photosynthesis of green plant absorb the carbon dioxide and release oxygen, as we know that. So this process help to maintain the level of oxygen in the air. So oxygen also very essential. So carbon dioxide, next is the carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide is very important because the ability of absorb the, it has the ability to absorb the heat. Carbon dioxide absorb the heat. It is responsible for the greenhouse effect on the earth. The amount of carbon dioxide exhaled the human and animal is the most equal to the amount absorbed by the plant. The amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere gradually increasing, and this is due to the increased burning fossil fuel like coal, petroleum and deforestation. Like so we have a plant more and more to maintain the balance of carbon dioxide and the atmosphere. So I hope you understand this concept, student. Thank you. Have a nice day.